Last month, the Johnson family was running out of options, and so a trying father made an impassioned plea to Jamaica for help as his daughter was on the brink of kissing her medical dreams goodbye. There was a struggle to pay her tuition fees, but today the family is on cloud nine. Ramar Lyons has this TVJ News follow-up.
A few weeks ago, Peter Johnson, a father who felt like his back was against the wall, broke down in tears.
It's very hard.
He made a plea to the public for financial help so he could finance his daughter's tuition. Today, his tears have dried and his smile is bright. He's overjoyed.
I'm just happy. My daughter is happy, my wife is happy, I am very happy, and I thank God for these feelings. I'm lost for words. So thank you very much again.
The taxi newsroom in March. Even with a payment plan that allowed him to pay $500,000 per month for the $4.5 million medical program, there was still an outstanding balance. His daughter was on the brink of dropping out of university. The Transport Authority has since sped to his rescue to prevent his daughter's medical dream from crashing.
I'm thanking the Transport Authority again for reaching out to me and my child, Peter Gay. And it is just, there's no great words to say more than I'm elated, I'm overwhelmed.
The Transport Authority has donated $500,000 towards the cause. Here, Mr. Johnson, his wife and daughter, overjoyed as they accept the offer.
This opportunity to be able to get some assistance for her tuition. Again, I thank God as you know, we can't leave our God out of it, because with the prayers that goes out, you know, I was out on a limb, and I guess people's prayers has gone out, and I'm happy that this is the day.
His daughter, Peter Gay Johnson, said her university journey has been rough, but this kind of gesture has shown her there's light at the end of the tunnel.
I feel overwhelmed. I'm extremely grateful and appreciative. He didn't have to do it. I'm just so grateful right now that my tuition is somewhat nearly cleared. It is cleared for year one, so it's just year two now, and the rest of the years to come.
Just a month ago, she was told that if she didn't pay $1.5 million before April 17, she would be unable to sit her exams. She's completing those exams now.
It's med school, it's hard, and it's a lot of studying, it's a lot of work. But I've been pushing through, and I'm here now doing final exams to complete year one.
Ramar Lyons, TVJ News.